Okay, we're going to start with going over number 5 from worksheet 9.5, number 1. Y equals negative 2 times x minus 3 squared plus 4. I'm going to quickly just jot down our general form. Y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to identify the a, the h, and the k. A is always what's up in front of the parentheses. Remember, we always say switch the sign of h, keep the sign of k. So I see a positive 3 here. I want to switch that sign. I see a positive 4, keep the k. Switch the h, keep the k. So my vertex is negative 3. Positive 4. Okay, we know already because that a value is negative that this one's going to open down, so we should have plenty of room to fit this graph on the plane. Okay, and now we're going to always start with our first 3 odd numbers, 1 and 3. Okay, we take our a value, we write that in our second column. Okay, and then we just want to multiply across. Okay, so 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Since these are negative numbers, we're going to be going down. The horizontal change is always 1 to the right, regardless what the a is. So with this first a value being negative 2, it means I go down 2 full units. As I said, always to the right 1. Okay, then I want to take a look at this one. And it's key we don't go to the vertex. We start from the second point. We're going to go down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over 1. So no points. We shouldn't see 2 points that are on the same vertical line. If you can actually remember back, when we were talking about linear equations, that was something called like a vertical line test. For something to be a function, it had to pass the vertical line test, which means no 2 points could lie on the same vertical line. So I just reflected those points over, and now we've got our nice parabola. The domain, as we've said for every graph, is all real numbers. Every graph you see this entire school year. Okay, there's never going to be any restrictions in the domain until you get to Algebra 2. The range, some of you are taking your x-coordinate here. You always want to take that y-coordinate of the vertex. It's the y-coordinate, so it's the 4. This one opens down. The u's upside down, so it's less than or equal to 4. Okay, that's good.